A warm welcome to everyone. I myself P. Nandita along with my teammate V. Narmada. We are here to present our project titled IOT based adaptive road divider, and our guide Dr. S. Sendul Kumar sir, Department of ECE. Our project is an IOT based adaptive road divider, in that making the divider in adaptive mode in the emergency situations or ambulance detection mode, and we are using an ESP32 cam to capture a real image processing, and it is trained by using an 8 gimbals model that created by our own, and we are using the solenoid to on off state to up and down the solenoid. And the basics of using these components we are getting into the project of IOT based adaptive road divider. The objective of our project is to design a smart traffic management of a road, and scope of the project is to include the further functions of prototype and the demonstration concepts.
This is our problem statement. The first problem statement is inefficient traffic flow, lack of real-time responsiveness, and emergency inaccessibility. Existing technology, they used RFID tag and IR sensor for detect the images and reduce the traffic congestion. In our proposed methodology, we used the ESP32 cam for detect the ambulance images, and solenoid for up and down to reduce the traffic congestions.
Here is a block diagram of your project. First, it is get into the ambulance detections of vehicle count by getting into the image of real image from the ESP32 cam. That image is processed and get into the input of solenoid and the traffic signals. When it is got into the detections mode of ambulance mode or emergency situations, the solenoid get into the on state of that's like a down state, and the traffic signals goes into the red signal.
Data set preparation for ambulance detection. First we collect the data set images in Google, and then we annotate the data like label the ambulance image, and then we split up the data set into training, validation and testers, and then we pre-processing for resize the image and perform validation. Finally we train the model and upload the ESP32 cam. The model output will be shown like this in our software output. Let me see our both software and hardware output demo. This is our program. Let me see our output. In this we use the USB camera. This shows the normal traffic. There is no traffic, so it shows the normal traffic. When it captures the ambulance image, it gives a mode like ambulance detected mode or cool down mode. Like this in the software output images, the software output will shown up.
This is our final setup model of our project. We have placed the ESP32 cam to capture the real image of vehicles that detect and emergency vehicles or ambulance. And this is traffic we are placing into the red and green light, and normal mode we are using the green light to glow, and when it is detected into the ambulance mode, we are get into the ambulance mode by showing the red light. And then the process of capturing, and then we get into the process of the buzzer sounds that alert the peoples to get the divider is moving down or and up, and these are the solenoid we are placing the front and back that moves up and down, making the divider in the adaptive mode in the state of on state. And this is the relay. We are using the relay to act the solenoid in the constant mode. We are placing this mode into the ESP32 cam. The overall process is done by the ESP32 cam. And conclusion of our project is making a smart IOT based adaptive road divider, in that when the ambulance is identified, it goes into the activation of solenoid mechanisms, and the explainer setup of both the hardware and software setup, we have confirmed that the system operates reliability and operates for an emergency situations. Thank you.